Hello and welcome to this tutorial for finding additions and subtractions of fractions that aren't related to each other. You'll do this by converting fractions to a mixed denominator, or sort of common denominator, so it's easier to add and subtract. Here's how it works. You should be familiar with the fact that you only affect the numerator, the top number, when you're adding or subtracting. So these ones are quite easy to do. You've got 7/8 subtract 2/8. You just need to take 2 away from 7, and that leaves you with the answer of 5/8. You should know that already. And if you've got 4/5 and you want to subtract a tenth, you can convert the 4/5 by doubling it to 8/10, and then 8/10 subtract 1/10 leaves you with 7/10. Straightforward enough. What happens though when you've got 2/3 subtract 1/4? It's not easy to just double these or try to double it or halve it. So what we need to do is think of a number that's in both of the 3 times tables and the 4 times tables. I know that 12 is in both, so we can convert both of the fractions into twelfths by multiplying both numbers. So I'll multiply 2/3 by 4. I'll multiply 1/4 by 3. I should therefore have 2/3 becoming 8/12 and 1/4 becoming 3/12. And then I would be able to subtract 3/12 from 8/12, which would leave me with the answer of 5/12. I have the same sort of problem if I want to subtract 1/10 from 4/6. I once again need to think of a number that's in both of those times tables, and I know that 30 is in the 6's and the 10ths. So I would need to multiply 4/6 by 5 and 1/10 by 3. 4/6 becomes 20/30ths and 1/10 becomes 3/30ths. So I could subtract 3/30ths from 20/30ths, and that leaves me with 17/30ths. That's really all there is to it. So what you've got to do now is come to me, get the sheet that's got a load of very different fractions, and have a go at subtracting one from another. Try your own combinations and thinking of numbers that are in both of the times tables of the denominators, like we showed you in the demonstrations. If you're not too sure, wind this back and have another look. Good luck.